In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock track an object limited to one axis, and how to make instances by using a collection. Let's open a blend file that was found in the zip file of the imported mesh. I'll share a download link in the description below. Sometimes when using external blend file, we'll notice the layout window is divided into multiple parts like this. Click this plus sign and add a new layout. That will save us time in closing the divided windows manually. It looks like the mesh is divided into multiple parts. We could parent them to an empty object, or just join them with Ctrl+J. Let's put all the meshes into a single collection, Shift-select them, and Ctrl+J to join them. The best way to create an instance of a mesh is putting it into a collection and creating an instance of the collection. Right-click the collection, and select Instance to Scene. Now we have an exact copy of the original mesh that contains not only the meshes and the material, but other settings as well. The instance collection doesn't contain any meshes, and it can only be changed when we modify the original mesh. Let's learn how lock tracking works in Blender. We need an empty object. Usually, we would add a track to constraint on the empty object, but looks at what happens. We can't lock this mesh to track only on one axis, by using the track to constraint. What we need is a lock track constraint. We can also go to Edit Mode, type A to select all, and move the mesh away from the world's center to have this effect. Let's make some instances. Did you notice now we have multiple empty objects in the scene? I don't know if this is a bug or not, but there should only be one empty object because that was not instanced. Anyway, we can select and move one of the empty objects, and the meshes will turn to look the way we wanted them to. The instance to scene feature can be used to create continuous looping animations that appears to zoom in forever. I'll create that tutorial in the future. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.